This is a Quantum 6-Edge HD for heavy duty. This power chair has a 450-pound weight capability. This is a Q6 Edge 2.0 iLevel. What iLevel means is the seat on this chair will go up 12 inches. So you're going to start at 22, you're going to wind up at 34 inches, roughly within an inch, 34 inches on top. This chair is fully loaded. Not only does it have the iLevel 12-inch seat lift, it has the electric tilt, the electric recline, and the electric legs, and it has many other functions we'll cover as we go along. This chair has 2 miles on it, so it is new condition. 2 miles, so if you're looking for a chair, you don't want to buy a new one, but you want to buy something new, here you go. HD, 2 miles, fully loaded. All the functions can be worked through the switch box back here or through the joystick. I'm going to work the seat lift through the switch box, and you can see the seat lift is right here, so if I push back this way, the seat will start elevating. When the seat elevates, you'll see the shocks in front move forward. You see the shocks move forward and goes into this, gives you a stiffer suspension when the seat goes up, and this will go back down when the seat goes back down. The nice thing about this Quantum 2.0 iLevel is when the seat is elevated, this is one of the few chairs you can still drive at a decent speed. So now you've got your 12-inch seat lift elevated, and I'm going to go show you how fast it moves with the seat elevated. So this is the seat elevated here. So it moves about 2 miles an hour, maybe faster, between 2 and 3 miles. I'm not able to get it to go full speed here, we don't have enough room. But between 2 and 3 miles an hour with the fully seat elevated. This is your 12-inch seat lift right there. It's a 4-point seat lift. You have 2 bars here and 2 on the opposite side. It gives you a real good steady suspension on your seat because you're suspended with 4 bars. You've got 14-inch non-skid wheels here, caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. We've got headlights and tail lights. They're on the fender. We'll show you later. The headlights are here and the back lights are back behind here. We've got HD motors. To put this chair in neutral, if you want to roll the chair around, you would turn the power off. That's the first thing you would do. You have a motor for each wheel. This is your neutral lever. If you push it down, all of a sudden your wheel is unlocked. But you have to do both sides if you want to go straight. Put it back into gear, and your wheel is locked again. You have anchor points, 2 on each side. You have 4 anchor points. These are to the frame, they're not going to move. So this is where you would tie your chair to your lift or to your van on these anchor points right here. So this is your 12-inch seat lift position right there. The next option we're going to cover is the electric tilt. So this would be your electric tilt right here, which is the bottom goes back, and of course the back will go with it. This is called an electric tilt right here. So this is your bottom going back. This is a swing away joystick, by the way. So if you need to swing away from the front, give you more room. This can go on the left side. If you're left-handed, we can switch the joystick to the left side with no problem. This is a full electric tilt. The next thing I'm going to do are the legs. I'm going to extend the legs out to show you how they work. These legs go out and then they push out. You'll see in a minute. Once it reaches all the way up, it'll push out a couple more inches. Watch. Right there. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so these legs are all the way up. They don't push out. They're already as far as they'll go. So those are your legs. So if you wanted some circulation in your body, this would be extreme. So what you would probably do is bring the tilt back down a little bit. This is what's nice about these chairs. You can do any positioning you want. So if you wanted like circulation, you could still be sitting this way and still have your legs higher than your body this way. So I'm going to bring the tilt all the way back down. So we've covered the 12-inch seat lift. We've covered the tilt. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the electric recline. So this is the recline, which is the back going back by itself. That's the electric recline going back. The nice thing about these arms right here, they have support. So if you're pushing on these arms, no matter how hard you push, the support holds your arm from giving. You're not going to break anything. Also, this can be removed from here. So if you want this, you can see the support just slides right into here, just like that. But if you need to slide into your chair, you need to be transferred sideways, you can just go right in this way. So this is what you're looking at if you're laying down flat with your legs up and everything down. These are lateral pads. These pads usually are closer to the front to keep your knees from buckling out. So this can be moved on this track all the way up to, we can move them all the way up to here, okay? So you've got lateral pads, they are removable. And we've got the arms here. And now we're going to bring the recline back up, and we're going to bring the legs back down. I'm hitting two buttons at once right now, but if you want to do this option with all at one time with two functions, you can do it through the joystick with one single function. So when you're outside, make sure you leave your legs, when you're outside, make sure you leave your legs out at least that far out. Now they're a little low because this chair is set up for a 6'2", 6'3" person. We would bring these legs up so you're not so close to the ground. So let me move the chair. So we've covered the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric legs, and now we're going to turn around and show you the front of the chair. Another thing about this chair is these legs right here, let me bring them back down some more. These foot plates are apart, which is nice. It gives you more room for your feet, and you've got guards here. So if you have your feet on here, you have a guard that keeps your feet from coming off. You might be able to see it in the camera. And these foot plates can be put together if they're too wide, or we can spread them out a little bit more if we had to spread them out and give you more room. So if you wanted the gap between here to be a little bit more, we could do it. Okay? So everything's adjustable on this chair. If you're a short person, we would raise the legs up to about here so you could make sure everything fits you. The seat is 21 by 21. 21 wide, 21 deep. This is a Roho cushion, and it's a removable cushion. So you can remove this cushion and put your own cushion on here if you want. This is an air cushion. It's the most expensive cushion you can get. You can fill the cushion with air through this valve right here. You just unscrew the valve, you can hear the air coming out. And then you can just pump the air with this little plastic pump that we have here. Put it on here. And then you pump air in your air cushion, and when you're done, you turn it, relock it. So this is a Roho cushion. As I said, this chair only has 2 miles on it. The back of the chair, you've got an attendant control, so if I want to drive this chair from here, all I have to do is switch the mode right here to this mode right here, and I would be able to drive the chair from here, just like I'm doing now. Forward, reverse, whatever I need to do. Okay? And then I put it back to the front. Now, of course, when you switch it back to the front, you have to turn the power back on front because you will not have access to both of them at the same time. Okay? You can see the suspension in the chair. You have 2 shocks in the back that are adjustable by turning this ring. There's one here, one there, and there should be 2 more in the front. In the front, they're a little bit larger. Here are the shocks right here. There's one on each side. When you charge this chair, you just take your charger, plug it in the bottom of the joystick, and as soon as the charger light turns from orange to green, you're fully charged. The charger will stop charging automatically when you're full. This power chair here, I think goes between 5 and 6 miles an hour. I will give you the exact speed when I'm outside with it. But it has 2 batteries, and you'll get about 13 to 15 miles on a battery charge. That depends where you're driving. If you're going uphill, in the dirt, in the grass, you're not going to get the same distance. And it depends the weight of the user also. So the distance is going to vary for everybody. So but the book says anywhere from 13 to 16 miles is a pretty good number when you have new batteries the first year. After the first year, you get less and less, and the batteries are getting older. So this is, and it does have a safety belt. So if you're looking for a power chair with 2 miles, Q6 edge, iLevel, HD with the 12-inch seat lift, electric tilt, electric recline, electric leg, swing away joystick. You have a cup holder here. We can add a cup holder, Roho cushion, safety belt, attendant control in the back, adjustable headrest in height and in dimension. All that is adjustable. This is a beauty, and it's ready to go. This is a Q6 Edge HD iLevel, 450-pound weight capability. Top speed on this chair is about 4.6 miles an hour. So it doesn't go as fast as most chairs because it's an HD. They don't want it to go that fast because of the weight it carries. But 4.6 miles an hour, fully loaded, ready to go. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.